something new today on the channel. This is something I've had for a little bit here, but it works really well for moving trailers around that are too heavy, or you really don't have a space to get the truck back into. Over here beside my garage, I store my car trailer out of the way when I'm not using it. You can get back in here with the truck, but there is a kind of a tree in the way, so it makes it a little trickier. But with the tractor, it makes it a lot simpler, and it's easy to put this on and take off for when you're moving trailers in and out. So what this is basically, there's many different brands out there, but what this does is it allows you to put your receiver hitch onto your bucket. I've seen many people mount in places. I think Quick Hitch makes some stuff you can weld onto different things and whatnot, but this was a pretty low cost option I decided to go with myself personally. But how it works is you slide your receiver hitch in here, you just standard 2-inch, and then in this specific instance I've got my 3 different balls on this one. But what this does is it goes under the front edge of the bucket. Sorry, it's set down here. The front edge of the bucket, you can see how it's set up here, and then this front edge goes up to the lip. So just push it up in here, and then you tighten it down. Tighten it down, good. And when you do that, it's good. I mean, it's pretty solid on there. Obviously, the tighter you make it, the less likely it is to turn. I mean, there is some issues with it turning. Here you can push it back there tight. Just keep tightening her down. When you get it tightened down, it won't go anywhere. I would say this is a cure-all. It's really more for a temporary solution for moving things around. But it does do a really good job, and I've used it several times. Yeah, so as always, thanks for watching today. You guys liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, I'll see ya.